morning. Welcome to pre-market report for 10th of November 2022. So before proceeding to pre-market report, so do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get a regular updates so whenever I'm posting a new video. So also like workshop details are given in description. So like you can find like advanced option trading course. So you can see in web or in mobile app. Okay, so that particular link is given in description. You can make use of it. It is running with the excellent offer. So if you looking for still more offer, you can ping me. The WhatsApp chat link also given. Okay. So let's move on to the like pre-market report. So yesterday, like Dow Jones were almost 200 to 300 points down. Okay. So, but like we are looking like our market is going to open almost flat. Almost flat. What is the meaning for actually almost flat in the sense almost 30 to 40 points higher or lower? That is called almost flat. So expected market may open around 18,100. Excess Nifty may open around 18,100. So yesterday's closing will be 18,157. But now today it is expected to open around 18,121. It is actually yesterday closing is 18,121. So maybe after like 7 o'clock, like again it may expect to fall. So 18,100 I'm expecting. So market will open because continuously it is trading in bullish. So expected to open. So if you look at to them, open interest they have started like open interest they have started buying put options. Actually these are in the money put options they started buying. So like market may fall little bit, but if you look at to the chart, so this is, let me come back to this. Okay, this is Nifty's open interest they have started buying put option and they started writing call options as well as some long and winding is there. If you see Banknifty actually very like see, you can see that it's looking some short covering, but again both call option and put option was written. Okay, so this is what like Banknifty. If you see the chart, let me explain you very clearly in charts. Okay, so like this one will be your all-time high candle. Okay, so this portion or this region. Okay, let me hide the indicators. Okay, so this one will be, this is your all-time high. That is your October 2021. Then again Nifty, just yes. Okay, so this is your all-time high. From there it is fallen. Again it is from here it is went away. Again it has fallen down. Then again it has taken high. Then down. So from here it has gone up to this much. And again. So now this is the position. So it is already started some red candle. So expected. So it may start fall up to 17,419. Okay. So 17,419. Why? Because previously in this zone it's only it has taken reversal because you can see here. So from here it has fallen, then it went away, then again it is like this. So this zone, if it is breaking, so expected. So from here you can see from it is fallen, then from this zone it has taken again. So likewise, So if it is falling, then it may fall up to 17,400 and it may go, or if it is breaking that, then this zone will be the reversal zone. Okay, so I'm not sure like whether it may continuously go, because in previous, see in previous where it is making, so here it is like this. Okay, so expected market may come down, maybe 17,400 or 17,500, or even today a reversal may happen. But so as I indicated, this particular region the market should cross to become a completely bullish. Okay, so this particular region should cross completely, right? So in case of Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty again is trying to enter, but it couldn't. So it has to cross again. 42,500 is a strong one, even 42,000. So once it is crossing 42,500, then you can see some bullish movement in Bank Nifty, right? So okay, so if you see RSI is showing like, you can see RSI started looking down, because it is looking like almost the Nifty is in overbought zone. So expected to fall, right? Expected to fall. It is not exactly in overbought zone, but maybe it's still looking like a downtrend. So this may be like, if because actually like if it is a flat opening, it is actually, the market may move in any direction. At the same time, today is the expiry day, so expected some good move. And notably like India VIX, if you see, India VIX is like, I think around 16 is trading around, India VIX is trading around 16. So yes, 15.91. Okay, so expected some medium volatility. And like even yesterday also, for my positions, like it hit for Nifty did put option like stop loss. Similarly, in Bank Nifty call option stop loss. Likewise, it is both the scripts are behaving differently. Okay. So we'll see. And yesterday we kept a video on Vedanta. So if you are not, check it out, please check it out, guys. So like the Vedanta target is given, and you can see the price action, how it is behaving for the last 10 years. So we have given a fundamental and technical analysis on Vedanta stock. Okay. So hope you enjoy watching this video. We'll come up with a new video again. And so do subscribe our channel. And like if you want to open an account, you can use the link available. So description Alice Blue, and workshop details. So workshop link is given in description. You can make use of it. So thank you, friends.